Revive the Flame. What we're going to be going over today is just some minor slips and be able to recognize patterns with one eye. Sometimes, to understand this, he has one eye where he's lost vision at this moment. We have the right eye that's available. The right eye is going to be able to have to now understand and read patterns on the other side of the body, and that's a little bit hard because the eyes push back a little bit more, and you got your nose covered and all those areas and details. But if you don't practice